this leaf blower is more powerful than you might think. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a quick little review of this leaf blower. So this product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This is a really powerful leaf blower. Before we get too far into this review, though, I do want to note, this does not come with a battery. That's right. You're going to need a Dewalt battery. I believe it's the 18 volt to the 20 volt battery that's going to work with this. So keep that in mind. If you already have Dewalt tools, that's not going to be an issue. Once you assemble the leaf blower and install your charged up battery, you're ready to get to work. So Greg put this to the test out at his house and he really liked how lightweight it is. That was one of the things he kept telling me, is it was really lightweight. And holy cow, is this thing powerful. It has 6 adjustable speeds and the force of the air that comes out of this is pretty widespread, so it's going to move those leaves. As you can see here, it takes very little effort with just that nice back and forth motion to get those leaves moving. Some of the leaves we were moving were slightly damp and it still moved them. You can use this to clean and dust, like if you have dust and stuff in your garage, like sawdust, blah, 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 blah. You can go in there and blow all that stuff out of your garage with this as well. Honestly, what more can we say? It's a leaf blower. It's powerful. It works. It's easy to use. It's lightweight. We recommend this.